What's up, lads? Back at it again. It's June 26th, 4:30 p.m. I just want to show off my fuck. I couldn't show it off because I disconnected it, but I coded something on here, which is basically this lab, uh third lab, combinational circuits. This will be the next one that I do. So what this one is, basically it makes this circuit, right? It adds two numbers together and then you display on a seven segment display, which does this. And then making it so that you can choose which display to display on, like et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Cool. So a little programming with FPGAs, that's just something that I want to touch upon. And then this question is the one that we said we were going to do today, which is the BFS traversal. Um, but honestly, I don't really remember how to do it. So I'm looking at this. So let's just give it a try, right? Um, right. Um, so if was main good? I just woke up from a dream. Da-na-na-na-na, say goodbye. This is what I need to write, right? Now a vector of no vector of node star. This will be the Q, right? I believe. Oh, yep. And then I'll have the vector of vectors and this will be called result. And then how do I start traversing, right? I will push the root into the Q first. And then while Q is not empty, and then I think I start traversing here, right? While Q is not empty, I want to go into the left side and push everything in. Is that right? Okay, yeah. What the fuck? Okay, so I'm traversing through the levels. Okay, current level. And then, oh, so each level, okay. Okay, so I push an empty vector in it first. And then, so I'm iterating through all the things in Q, which should be the things that are within this level, right? So I'm pushing back. Oh, right, and I'm popping it. Um, ever since I realized what it all means. Mm, wherever I'll follow, nobody's promised tomorrow. Da-na-na-na-na-na, it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Ooh, if the party was over. I think that looks about right, right? Yep. I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Push back. Okay, fine. Um, what? I don't understand. Like what? Oh, it's vector, dude. I was like, what am I doing, man? No, 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 no. Oh, Deadly signal. The front of the queue. Oh, oh no, it should be this. Right. Memory limit exceeded. Wow, why? Okay, something about this is weird. So well, now I have the root in there, and then the length is the queue size. I think it's like that, right? So I already have whatever I have in the queue, and now I'm iterating through only these, right? And then now I will first push the value of the front, and then I'll enqueue whatever left and then right, and I'll pop it. And then the next one, I'll push it into the current, left, right, pop. Yeah, I think that's right. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to press submit, but I think that's right. It could be. No? Just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Whoa. What? Now, so right now I have three, right? For level 0, right? I'll push this in first. Length equals to 1. 0 pushback Q front, which is 3 dot value, which is this. If oh, rude, bro. It's not, I'll push 9 in, I'll push 30 in, I'll get rid of this. right? And then I is only one, so that's done. Current level is one. Push it back. Yeah, I think this should cover that. Let's try it. Wow, it's raining so hard outside. There's a typhoon in Hong Kong, for those of you that don't know. I hope it doesn't exceed memory limit, this one. Okay, it does work. Beautiful. Nice! Come on. Technically, I would say I'll give this like half my own solution. I would say so. All right, let's practice this. Let's go back to level order traversal. So this is the way to traverse a tree in BFS. Um, but obviously with a graph it's different. With a graph, it's just very different. You have to make an adjacency list with any graph problem, and then you're traversing through the adjacency list. You have another vector called visited. So if you visited that one, you get the fuck out, right? So it's to break the loops. Yeah, so it's just different for graphs. Holy moly, it's raining so hard. What the fuck? Oh my God. Jesus. Jesus Christ. And bro is still hooping. Ball is life. Okay, yep, let's practice this. Okay, cool. So if else, if it's not, then you have a queue of pointers called Q. And then you have a vector of int called result. And then what you want to first do is you want to push root into Q. And then you would also want to initialize a leveled call this, right? While Q is not empty, what you want to do, you want to initialize a vector and result. And then you would also find size. You would iterate through these elements, and then you would, the current level, you would push back to dot front value, right? And then if it's not equals to null pointer, then q dot push Q dot front left. Same thing goes for right, and this order matters, right? Because it's a level order traversal. You want to go to the left from the left to the right, right? And after that, you have got extracted all the value from the top element, therefore you pop it, and then you would increase current level. And then once you're at a level where there's nothing left, that's when it's empty, right? So you wouldn't go there actually. You would return result. Yep, pretty simple to understand. Oh, did I write top? What? Oh, 有。哦，佢真係唔係佢冇嗰件事嘛？咁得啦，咁得啦，我驚佢冇嗰件事就係 say less，好正啊！佢啪啪啪啪，最尾未 submit。Okay, well, wait, let me run it first and then I'll submit. Submit. Nice. Do you want to see my board, my project? No, I don't even understand. I'm gonna explain to you. Okay, peace. See you tomorrow, guys. Say hi. Bye. Peace.